Hi there! You're invited to listen to an exclusive excerpt from the next episode that I'll be publishing on Sunday. My next guest is absolutely fascinating, and this is just a teaser of what you can expect from our discussion. Enjoy listening, and I'll see you on Sunday for the full episode.
Welcome to Finscale, a podcast created by Solène Niederkorn, shedding light on innovation in finance, banking, and insurance.
Convera, Tech Evolution and Ethics Mastery Unveiled. Patrick Gauthier, CEO of Convera.
Some of it was deliberate, pre-Convera was deliberate on the part of Western Union and drove a number of acquisitions that they did 15 years ago. Now with Convera, what we saw when we decided to pursue the acquisition, what we saw is deep know-how across the company, across the globe, understanding how to address on behalf of customers the complexity of those global payments.
Back to payments and Forex this week. Patrick delves deep into the intricate fabric of Convera, a dominant player in the payment industry. We kick off our conversation with a retrospective as Patrick provides a comprehensive overview of Western Union Business Solutions 2021 activities. He shares the motivations and strategic intricacies behind Goldfinch partner and BaoPost Group's acquisition of WUBS. Shifting focus to the core of Convera, Patrick paints a vivid picture of the company's current positioning, its expansive geographical presence, the pillars of its value proposition, and the diverse suite of solutions it offers. The discussion becomes more insightful when we explore Convera's significant global footprint, which spans 200 countries, operates in 22, and deals with 140 currencies. Patrick touches on the company's strategies that have driven this global success and the tailored service catering to a broad spectrum of clientele from SMEs to NGOs. Naturally, we couldn't discuss Convera's growth and development without exploring the transformation project of this major player, particularly from a technological perspective, including its AWS cloud migration. This leads us into a discussion about regulatory strategy and the factors that prompted the American company to establish its European headquarters in Luxembourg. Additionally, we delved into the risk management approach, especially concerning hedging FX risks. Enjoy the show! Hello, everyone, and a special welcome to you, Patrick.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so thank you for joining Finscale. Today we'll discuss Convera and a little bit of Western Union, of course. It would be great if you could begin by introducing yourself to the audience.
Yeah, sure. So, Patrick Gauthier, I have been working on payment technologies, fintech, since before probably fintech was invented. I have spent time at Visa, at PayPal. Most recently, before coming to Convera, I built Amazon Pay at Amazon into a global business. I love payments. Sometimes payment can be seen as something very, very boring, moving money, not exciting. But the truth is, payment is the way people achieve their dreams, whether the dreams is people wanting to buy a house or go someplace, or whether it is wanting to build a business. And so I think we at Convera are in the business of helping our customers grow their business, be successful globally, do it with confidence. For almost 30 years now, it's excited me every morning. It continues to do so. I was born and raised in France, studied there, been in the US now for over 30 years. And I'm a builder at heart. I started coding when I was 10, roughly. Became an engineer and then suddenly realized that I could build products, but I could also build teams and build businesses. And that's what I love to do.
Perfect. So we'll talk about this today. So to be honest, I didn't know Convera because I realized that the name was changed quite recently. So I was amazed. I had somebody calling from your team and starting to discuss with me, and then I discovered that behind Convera there was a story with Western Union. So I digged into it. I made a sort of research, and I wanted that you share with us a little bit of the story, maybe not 75 years ago. But going back to maybe 2021, when Western Union Business Solution was acquired by two PE firms, two PE funds. So we understand where we are coming from.
Yeah. So Western Union Business Solution, quite successful business, one of the leader in its space, present globally with the broadest payment network and Forex network available on a non-bank basis. 2020, 2021, COVID, we all know, has kind of created a bunch of disruption and certainly was, I think, an acid test for lots of business and lots of companies asking them questions about what their core was. Our investors, so the BaoPost Group and Goldfinch Partners, saw really an opportunity looking at this business that was part of Western Union and was big enough to be a really interesting investment, but small enough from a Western Union perspective that it may not have been necessarily the top priority for investments. And we came to an agreement with Western Union to acquire this business for us on the thesis of this is a successful business. And by modernizing the product, the plants, and some of the way we conduct business, we're really going to unshackle it and really accelerate growth because we are operating in a market that has seminal tailwinds. Global commerce is not going down. Notwithstanding COVID, notwithstanding geopolitical pressures, global commerce continues to increase. It's changing in nature, but it's continuing to increase. And when it comes to business payments, there has been a lag in terms of innovation compared to consumer payments. So I've been in payments for 30 years. And for the majority of that, I've been working on how do we modernize consumer payments.
Now that you've heard an excerpt from the upcoming episode on Sunday, make sure you stay tuned and connected so you don't miss a beat.